'Cause when I'm not here, it's like I'm falling. And I don't know why I feel pain. 'Cause when I'm not here, I keep on falling. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. I keep looking, I keep searching. I need you to be around, so I feel safe and sound. Yeah, I keep looking, I keep searching. I need you to be around, so I feel safe and sound. I've been hiding out for days next to you until lies. Yeah, I've been waiting in silence to see a little bit of fire, but all I see is you. I keep looking, I keep searching.
I'm gonna explain a few things to you guys. First of all, this mannequin, it's a bit inconsistent with the hair, each individual strand. I don't think this is human hair, so it's not gonna be responding and lightening as much as I want it to. But the process, this is a big job. This is why it's taken me so long to do this, because as you can see, I mean, this took a few hours. Let's start with the color. Again, I used a 2N, which is almost like black. It's as dark as brown, black. And I did the under perimeter out under here and on the other side. And I simply did that by sectioning off this whole entire piece right here. So then I laid foil over that to protect it. Then I went in and applied the lightener, which is an on the scalp and off the scalp professional lightener. And that's how I achieved this color from, as you saw before, the mannequin, the hair is pretty dark. So to achieve this, to get it like pale white, you gotta probably do this maybe two times or three times, and it could really damage and fry your hair. So it's definitely something that I think you need to be careful about doing. And then I went in and I took the same dark brown color, the number 2N, and went over the ends just here to kind of really emphasize and enhance the fact that, you know, it looks like it's like major, he's got some major root action going on here. So the haircut then, what I did is, as you saw before when I cut off a lot of the hair, I did a lot of the work then. What I did is I just cut everything and I point cut it right to about here to make a soft kind of line. It is a bit, I did do a disconnection. So even though it may look like it's blended, there's a slight disconnection throughout the top, right in through here. So that's why when he brushes his hair back, you'll still see some hair underneath, but you know, it's a lot longer you know, on the top just because of the way kind of that disconnection is and the way it's cut and stuff. So I went in then and layered the entire thing to give it some movement, blow dried it, and here we have the finished result.